Chebe powder this, Chebe powder that. Chebe powder grows your hair. Chebe powder for longer hair growths. Chebe powder, Chebe powder, Chebe forever. Yo, but seriously, who hasn't heard about this latest hair growth craze called Chebe powder? So I mean, I had to jump in on it too. I'm just saying, you know, anything to grow your hair, right? It's been trending on the internet for some time, the fact that Chebe powder, these women from Chad, Africa, have really beautiful long hair, long kinky hair, and their secret to long hair is Chebe powder. So what Chebe is a mixture of different herbs, leaves and stuff like that from, but I'll list the ingredients somewhere around here. And they said that this miracle thing keeps your hair soft, it actually prevents breakage, and I'm like, you could use all kind of stuff to grow your hair, but shedding and breakage, that's the problem right there. That's my problem, because look, my hair could grow, but I would get breakage. So like, if something could stop the breakage, I'm about that lot. No, but if something could stop the breakage, I need to try it. So today I'm not actually applying it to my hair, but I am going to show you guys how I mix the Chebe mixture. And this is going to be part 1 of my new series I'm coming out with. Yes, I'm doing a series called Hair Hacks Tried and True. So basically what this new series is, I'm going to be trying a bunch of different natural hair growth hacks, and if it works, I'm going to come back and let you all know. So how it works is, every month I'm going to update you. I'm going to be using different products, different hair hacks for about 2 months. So I'll update you the first month I use it, let you know how it works, and then the second month you're actually going to see results, because you wouldn't see that much results within a month, right? Today I'm going to be trying the Chebe powder hair growth hack. Now it's usually, I think it's a 90-day thing, where you actually do not wash your hair for 90 days and just use Chebe powder. But I don't know. I mean, I'll try it and see. So let's get started making the Chebe butter. So all you're going to need for this video is your Chebe powder and some whipped shea butter. So my shea butter is looking like this because I live in a tropical climate and it is not hard like it would typically be. So I'm all about protecting the environment, and this is an old container that I've had before, and I'm just going to pour some of my whipped shea butter in there. And this is basically what inside the Chebe powder looks like, the packaging. It's inside of this, and it smells like cigarette. So it has a kind of strong bushy smell. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of the Chebe powder, just a little, and add it because it has a very strong smell. I'm gonna add a little bit of peppermint oil to this mixture, and just a little lavender oil as well, just a little bit. I'll list the benefits of these 2 essential oils for you all in the description section. I think I should add a little more. Alright, so this is basically it. Your mixture should not be as runny as this if you are in a more cold climate, but because of the tropical climate I'm in, and also because I use a little more oils in my DIY shea butter, this particular one right now is really hot out, so that's why my shea butter is looking like this. But when it gets cool a little later on today, it's going to stiffen up a little. So this is it for my DIY Chebe butter, and yeah, this is what it looks like for now, and I'll be updating you every month on how this has been working in my hair. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. See you guys another time.